What we do see more typically in today's world are the serial ATA or SATA hard drives. And what I have illustrated on the screen for you is on the motherboard there, those are the actual data connections. That's what they look like to plug in a SATA hard drive. And in the top right portion, the little call out there, that's what the power connector looks like for SATA. Now you'll get to see this a little bit more detailed when we get in and actually build the computer. But I can tell you that SATA hard drives, there's a couple of benefits to them over the PATA hard drives, and that is they're faster and you have no specific limitation on the number of hard drives that you can have. Okay, your only limitation is based upon the number of connections. And really should tell you that typically in an IDE or PATA type scenario, you typically could only have just the two controllers and then each of them could only have two hard drives. There were some scenarios where you could expand from there, but it was not normal. Okay, whereas with SATA, it's not uncommon at all to have, well, here's an example of a motherboard with 6 connections, and it's not difficult at all to add an expansion card with additional SATA connections.